All right, good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Monday, the very first trading day of this week. This week we don't have any so-called high impact news. We may have it on Friday with the Fed speak right there, and maybe so-called PMI data. Yeah, the week before that we have, and maybe the FOMC minute radar, just from low or medium impact day radar. And we are in week 34 of the year. And this week we don't have any option expiration day. Right, the week last Friday we have a standard option, and then we have end of month option expiration day right there. And but next week we're looking for the GDP data, and then the PCA data. It will be on 29 and 30, which is Thursday and Friday right there. All right, today the price actions very interesting. For some reason we try to keep shorting the markets. That is our buyer right there. We don't know why we keep shorting, and we get our B cut kick right there. We got our blip kick right there, and right here is the huge flip right here at 10.15. Normally it's at 10, right? 10.30, but it's 10.15, and look at the candle. So basically at 10.30 we see it break out of the 9.30 range, and also the 18 right there is maybe a bullish signal right there. Look, see 9.30 right here and 10.30. Yeah, 10.30. It's not breaking out. It go back and it acts like it's gonna be falling, then boom. Very similar to, you see the retracement right here? It's similar to here. You see the retracement, right? It's broke and then reverse, and then this one flip. This one's supposed to follow, but it flip. So the candle ran theory on this candle right here, 1445 right there. Okay, one thing we show that, last night when we try to trade right here, we can see that it makes sense right here. You see it try to break the low of the opening candle at 18. It did not break. So we going right here. Actually we short right here first, but we go long. We put a target right here in the middle, and it just overnight. We try it, and it worked. Let's see we call overnight, so we don't let the recording running, so we just have a screenshot. So yeah, the first trade we take is right here, and it doesn't work out what we anticipate. It's gonna continue to sell out, but it did not, so we get out. We take a loss about 100 or so, and then we take a second trade when we see we take about 100 loss. See that it definitely gonna go half of this, and we got it right. It hit the target overnight. We didn't record it because overnight, so we don't let the record running, but it did hit right here. You see that at 23.30 it hit right there. It hit half of that wick right there. So basically we go in right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 15 minutes. So 4 of them is an hour and a half right there with target in the midnight, and after midnight, boom, it go down. Yeah, it's go down. And yeah, we can see right here is a London right here, and it form circle head and shoulder right pattern right there. But don't go long right away, because at 10:15 you see, look at this level. It's a very key level right there. We marked that is in the last Friday, and it tests the low or the buy side, the side one more time before it continues to rally right here. So at 10:15, let's look in the real time. At 10:15, all right. So here you see that at 10:15, who thought that it's gonna be what? It's gonna be flip, right? No, when you have to watch in the real time, because now we are look at the chart, you don't see it, you just see this, but in the real time, it did flip. It did flip, and that's the reason why what in the real time is very critical. We see we did take a note right there. It flipped about 15-point flip right there. That's huge flip. This look like a huge giant buyer, like a big banker or institutional going and buys. We thought they're gonna drop. You see it's in the real time. See right there, it dropped 15 points, and then it reversed itself. How's that possible? We don't know. But you look at the London rand right here, right? So we make a trade right here. Let's see. Yeah, here's the first 3 trade we make in the morning. So we see right there, we thought that okay, it's a 4 breakout, and especially you see the fabric gap right there. Yeah, we need to pay attention to this fabric gap. Because normally if the fabric gap no retest them, and when the first retest come, it could fail. But in this case, it's different. Okay, so we go here, right? We thought, okay, it filled the gap, so now it's gonna reverse. So we go short right there. See that? And then we move our stop loss to break even. And it flipped back on us. So it flipped back on us, it top it out. And then if what we thought, okay, if it's not short, then it must be long then, so we go long. Yeah, it go our way, right? We go up to, profits 1 or something. Yeah, we move our target up. We make a mistake. We should not move that. We should be target around here. We should be good, but it's okay. We move target again, and we pay for that. You see, that's the first at the 8:30 candle is very fluctuate right here. You see, it flip. It's flip for both ends right there. It's very, very strange. Yeah, but learn our lesson. If we see the candle nightly flip, let it take out the liquidity on one side, then it flip, we go to a different direction. That is what happened for today. And look at this, 9:30, boom, it go back again. And then we had stop loss because we short them. Yep, so that is our first, 3 trade right there. And then let's see how we handle the couple more trade. All right, here's our next trade right here. It's very crazy on this on the 945. All right, at first we thought, okay, so now it's long, right? So we go in, we go long. Oh, yeah. We go long. You buy, we go long. However, it's flip, it stopped out. Okay, so we think, wow, that means a short setup. Short setup gonna be in place now. Wow, we short, we gotta stop out. Boom. Yeah, and it increased the size. We thought, wow, for sure we're gonna put all the money in. So we practice them. Boom. We got, we stopped out. Yep. And then we'll go. We say, wow, perfect. Short. We short them again. Boom. We got stop out. And then we say, okay, let's go long. Go long. You see, we can gain 2,000 right there. But eventually, it just doesn't make sense. It pull up. And then we said, perfect. Okay, let's short them. And we didn't aim the target right. We barely missed us right there. You see, it come back all the way, and we take a break-even trade right there. So that's the huge, lesson learned for us right there. Yeah, that's the huge lesson right here. You see, it's flip on us. Never know. Yeah, so basic right there. It flip on us. You see that? And then boom. Wow. Yeah, we should go all in long right here. And somehow we don't believe it. We try to short them, and we pay a huge price. You see, it eventually it break this candle ran right there. Boom. See that candle ran? The high level right there. I mean the high of the open at 18 hour yesterday, and it continued right here. We thought it's gonna be short. You see that, but it not. It just a retracement. We make huge zigzag right here also. When we see that, yeah, we thought, wow, it's gonna break this, so we go in short right there. But we need to look carefully here. Is the mid-range of the candle, and you see that it fell, break the first time, and second time try fell, then we should know, go in and go long. Yeah, right here we try short right here also. Crazy. It's so fun. Try short and get stuff out. Yeah, we put in a bullet band. We can see that the bullet band can give us some cup indicator right there. Yeah, it's you see the last candle. We don't know. It's very strange that the markets keep rally. I mean, it rally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days in a row. Yes, so if you count it, it will be 10-day rally. Yeah, we don't have much setup for today, or at least we don't see it. But right here is the clear signal that go along, and we failed to recognize that, and we try to keep short the market. Well, here's the screenshot we take. Alright, so here's the screenshot we take. Right, we see that level. We thought that it rate a buy side, and then it's gonna reverse perfectly, but it not reverse. It continue to move up. And but here's the screenshot we have now for here's the one we have for the daily and the weekly. So you see that this is the end of day right there. I mean, for the weekly, it's so bullish for it. It's just a retracement, boom. 3 week, 1, 2, 3, boom. Now it's a huge up close candle. It looked like gonna break the level. We don't know. We should go long. For some reason, we keep going and short. We have to remove that stigma, that's buyout from us, from our brand or subconscious mind, something. We keep shorting the markets when we're not. We have to look to market for the setup. Instead, we keep impose our will on markets. That's what we try to say right there. So it's day one. So this is the end of day right there. Alright, let's see something real quick. We want to point out that okay, so right here, when last Friday, let's see, last Friday, oh, so remember when we have a second leg up, we have two kind of right, you want it to be break, reverse back right away, so that will be a second leg up or leg down. In this case, it's a retracement similar to here. See that right here, right there, right? You break, reverse, and then you tap them. You basically the low of this candle is failed to break them. A test again, and then boom, it go up. So we have to see what the retracement and what is the reversal. So here is another example right here. Look right here, you see the level. So right here it's clear, established that it cannot be a first leg down. And right here we thought that you're gonna reversal from here, but no, it fell it out. And right here is the key to do second leg down right there. Alright, here's the mistake we make. You see that at one point we make the profits 5,200. We did not exist. The reason why, I think before that we make mistake that you see right here, we move our target and then we move again. Yeah, we moved just 73.50 and it did not, you see that it almost hit it. You see that we should be one pip above that right here. So the low of this is Wow. The low of this is, yeah. Okay, so we put, I think we mistaken the target. If we go to, and it rip right there, that means, so the low right here is 75.25. Okay, 25 right there. All right, 25. It's very strange. So why in this one not hidden? Oh, we put 73. We mixed. Oh, you see that? We go with this low. We're supposed to go with this low. Wow. That's it, the reason. But you see that? It barely missed us right there. It's barely missed. We misplay our target. That's the reason. Target at the low of this one, not the low of this one. This one is 12.45, and this one, yeah, 12.45 right there. Should be that kind of. We just make at what's the low of this one? Yes, 73.50. So why it not hit us? Yeah, we put 750 right there. Why it not hit it? We exactly 70.50. Very strange. Next time, you see right there, it not hit it. Exactly. Let's see how that happened. Yeah, we don't know why it not trigger, and we get stunned. I mean, it's amazing. We have to close out right there. We didn't one of the mistake. Okay, we say we're going to, it give us that much a profit. We need to get out, my friend. Don't think about this because we try to recover this and then plus it stop. Don't do that. That's the lesson we do. It just focus one trade. Don't try to thinking about the rest. So you basically want to recouple this one and also make 4,000 something. That's is a distraction right there, and benefit we take out. So even though it's a paper account we trade, but we make a huge mistake. We need to learn from this. As soon as you see this flip at the low of this level, basically it rate the buy side and then rate the sell side. Get ready for a rally. You can go in and go long right away. That's the lesson. Go long right away. You see, go long. Yeah. Sometimes the retracement, set for the show up, but in this case, you already have the setup right here. So that is the mistake we make for today. So basically today we just do the paper trading, but there's a huge lesson learned for us right there. We haven't found our momentum yet, so when we have our account back again at the end of the month, we don't want to do too much reset right now. We just kind of lay back right now, just try to learn. But the huge opportunities come out of this candle. We should take a long short trade and then boom, get profit, take a long trade. Yes, we can do that. Yeah. Okay, one thing we want to show when we study the pattern. So right here you see that the pattern right there, the second leg down. You see that right here, or the next leg down right here. Yeah, first leg down, second leg down, and then you have this setup. Basically, this setup, look into your life, you see the feather gap right there. As soon as you feather gap, boom, it reverses. And that's it, the setup. We see that feather gap right there, and you see the feather gap refill, and you see the buy sell liquidity were rated, then you know it reverse in place. And one of the reasons, because we see the consolidation right there. Right after the feather gap, it not fill the feather gap right away. You see that? It's just consolidation and boom, it fill the gap. As soon as you fill the gap, boom, it ripped down. So, and look at this this one a little bit different, right? You see that right here, you see the feather gap right there, but it's not filled yet. And right here you see the consolidation, but it's not reversed. After the consolidation, if we see the refill right away, then we know the reverse is in place, right here, right there. But in this case, the reverse is not in play. Then looking for another, the neck or another leg down right there, and you see the beauty right here. As soon as the reversal right here happened, the neck leg down is it ending or complete. Reversal happened. Then look, the first time when it tried to fill the gap, it actually fell. But don't shorten. This is the best time to go long because they have another leg up in place right there. The leg down is end, and you have feather up right there. So the first time to refill, the gap, we fell. So actually, if we go long right here, we know that's the target. We get out and wait for retracement. Boom, we go in and take advantage of a second leg down. Because like the second time when it goes to the gap, it just break through easily. You see that? That's the huge lesson for us right there. But one more thing, you look at this pattern, what do you see? It's similar to the pattern right here. You see that? The gap right there, and boom, reverse. Refill and then reverse. Exactly right here, we have the same idea. So now we know that there are two kinds of neck leg down. The one that we see very regular is right here, right? Break and then reverse. A break, reverse, and then break right there. Break, reverse, and break right there. Yep. This one not even reversed yet. But it's almost very close. But the trick, not the tricky, but the signal is have feather gap right there. That is the signal first right there. Yeah, this one is not considered as a break reverse. Right, okay, here you have a break reverse. All right, break reverse and then break. Okay, gap. Similar right here. You said you also have reverse right there, and then boom, feather gap, and then you have a last right here. It's actually right here. There's no consolidation right there. If there consolidation, you're gonna see a reverse right away. The fill the gap. Right here, it fill the gap, but it's not consolidation. Yeah, that's the difference right there. Let's take this screenshot and work on this. Yes, that's here the setup that we are looking for here. So yeah, we can look at this one. What do we see? Okay, look at this one. We see it's break, touch down below. Break, reverse, or you can look at the level. You can see break, reverse, and then pre-break, and then create a gap right there. And as soon as you know, the gap is filled, yeah, let's look at the gap filled right there, then boom, it going down. So let's fill off it one, 55, 75, 50. Okay, let's, oh wow, it's just around that level, don't you see that? Oh, wow, that's amazing. Let's delete it for now. So low, wow, 75, 50. Is that 75, 50? Yeah, today is 75, 50. Okay, so, and then you see the gap right there. As soon as it fills the gap, right there, you see the gap. And it gives you the gap right there. See the gap? I think there's two candle fell gap right there. So we do have a right here. So basically we have a feather gap down, we have a reverse, right? We have a refill and reverse, so similar to that. Refill, you have refill, these two candle refill that gap and reverse. Yeah, let go with this setup, and I put a reverse right here at 5:30. Wow, who can wake up at 5:30 and trade? So basically right here we have beautiful setup right here. So first thing we need to have is a feather gap down, right? Break. And then you have the refill. Gap fill or refill for that matter, and then you will have a reverse, right? And yeah, all right, that's something right there. So first you have a feather gap down, and then you have a refill the gap, then you have reverse. Yep, so that's the trick right there for us. And all right, let's see the other setup. So right here we have the forgot down, and right here is a consolidation. Oh, the review right here is very first it's consolidation and then it's review. But for this scenario, you can see that it's kind of consolidation right there, but the review is not dramatic right there. It's not an impulse move. So to put a note right here, right? Put a note right here that the here is is the refill. Not much consolidation. The refill and the refill is not a hue up close candle. It's different from the other case right there. So this is the second pattern for the second setup. So for neck leg down. Right. You remember, yeah, we can say gap fill, further gap fill, and neck leg down. Yeah, that's another pattern right there. Yep. Further gap, yes. Yeah, you can sort of consolidation right there. It doesn't look like consolidation, right? This one doesn't look more consolidation, right? Boom, refill, boom, reverse. This last one is cuff, easy up right there. So now we're gonna put two juice together. Hold on, let's see. So we want to do one more thing right there. So save. Okay. Yep. We will save this one. Alright, so now we want to do the same for this one, and then we can put together. Okay, so this one is consolidated. Yeah, gap down refill. Okay, so I think we do have something. Alright, we have those two put together now. We do vertical right there. See that? See the similar right there. This is gonna next leg down right there. Yeah, next leg down right there, and you see the phenomenal right there, right? This level break, reverse, and then break again, give the fibula gap. Similar to that, you see that level, it break, reverse, and then break again, give a fibula gap, boom. All this guy is just a setup to short for the neck leg down, because it needs a lot of liquidity for neck leg down. That's the reason why I fill the gap before it going down. So that's the pattern we call fibula gap and neck leg down. Alright, thank you for your time and interest. We only always grateful for the opportunity. We do what we love, and the success is coming our way, no doubt. Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye for now.